हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे परसेंटेज। ओके, परसेंटेज जिसे हिंदी में हम लोग प्रतिशत भी कहते हैं, प्रतिशत, परसेंट। ओके, परसेंट। ओके, percent, cent is like the 100, so on every 100 whatever we'll get, that is called the percentage. Okay, प्रतिशत, परसेंटेज। हम कहीं भी कमर्शियल में जाते हैं, शॉपकीपर के पास जाएंगे, मॉल में जाएंगे, परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट लिखा रहता है, 5% डिस्काउंट, 10% डिस्काउंट। ओके, बार्गेनिंग करते हैं तो ही लाइक ऑलवेज सेज लाइक 10% डिस्काउंट, 5% डिस्काउंट। सो ऑल दिस विल बी स्टडिंग इन दिस। ओके, सो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, नॉट ओनली फॉर द स्कूल syllabus, for the whole life we can use this. Okay, so we'll be studying properly everything about the percentage. So percentage, as I told here, percent on every 100. If I say 58%, 58% is what? It means you will get it is 58 out of 100. Okay, so whatever you will get on 100 or out of 100, that will be the percentage. Okay, like 92%. So 92%, suppose somebody say Mr. X got 92% marks, that means he got 92 out of 100. He got 92 out of 100 marks. Okay, 92 out of 100. 68 percentage. So 68% is what? 68 out of 100. Okay, so anything out of 100, whatever you get, that is called the percent. Okay, 58% is 58 out of 100. 92%, 92 out of 100. 68% is 68 out of 100. Okay, so we'll be studying more about this percentage, how to find the percentage, convert from the fraction to percentage, convert from the decimal to percentage, convert from the ratio to percentage, and then convert from the percentage to fraction also, percentage to ratio also, percentage to decimal also. Okay, so the first one is to convert from fraction to percentage. Okay, the first one is convert from fraction to percentage. So like suppose 3/4, 3/4. So how to convert 3/4 into percentage? So as I told here, it has to be what? Out of 100, meaning we have to convert this 4 as 100. This denominator we have to make it 100. This denominator, this 4, we have to make it 100. So 4 into what give you 100? So into 25. So we'll multiply 25 here also. So 25 3s are 75. So 75 out of 100 is nothing but 75%. Anything out of 100 is percentage. Okay, so instead of doing this, you can also simply say 3/4 multiply by 100. So you can simply say, to convert from fraction to percentage, we multiply by 100. Simply what you will say? Multiply by 100. So if you multiply by 100, so 4 1s are 4, 25s are 25, 3s are 75. So 75% is the answer. So whatever number they given you, like 3/2, convert into percentage. So from fraction to percentage, multiply by 100. So 2 1s are 2, 50s are 50 into 3, 150%. 150%. Okay, so whatever number, whatever fraction is given, you want to convert into percentage, so simply multiply by 100. Okay, understood? The second one is decimal to percentage. So here you can directly say, to convert from the fraction to percentage, to decimal to percentage, ratio to percentage, we simply multiply by 100. So anything multiply by 100 you will get in percentage. Okay, whatever is given here, if you multiply by 100 will get into percentage. So we'll do few sums based on this. Okay, so let's do one sum here, like 1/3/5 convert into percentage. 1/3/5 convert into percentage. So first thing, this is given in the mixed fraction, so convert into improper. So 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 8, so it become 8/5, and then 8/5 multiply by 100. 5 1 ja 5 20 ja 28 ja 160, so 160 percentage. So 1/3/5 is nothing but 160%. 160%. Same way, suppose the decimal is given 0.28, convert into percentage. So 0.28, you have to multiply 0.28 into 100, so that become 28%. 28%. Okay, same way, suppose they given you 3:5, convert 3:5 into percentage. So 3:5 is nothing but 3/5, and then 3/5 into 100. So 5 1 ja 5 20 ja 23 ja 60%. So whatever the number given, and if they ask you to convert from that, like the fraction to percentage, decimal to percentage, or ratio to percentage, you simply multiply by 100. Okay, multiply by 100. Same way, if they given you in percentage, okay, they given you 48%, 48%, then like suppose here 5.6%, okay, or 920% given, then 92% given. Now suppose the first one 48%, convert 48% into fraction, suppose. Okay, so like how from fraction, decimal, or ratio to convert into percentage, we multiply by 100. So here we multiply by 100, multiply by 100. And if they already given you percentage, so you have to do divide by 100, divide by 100. So whatever number given in percentage, okay, so anything given in percentage, we have to convert into fraction, decimal, or ratio form, we have to divide by 100. So like 48%, so 48 divided by 100, which is nothing but 48/100. Okay, and then you can cancel by 12 4 ja 25 4 ja, so 12/25 is the fraction form. Clear? Simple it is. So convert into percentage, we multiply. So convert from percentage to decimal, fraction, or ratio form, we have to divide by 100. Next one is, like suppose they ask in decimal, so this become 5.6 divided by 100, which is nothing but 5.6/100, which is nothing but 0.056. Okay, one and one more, so that 0.056 will be in decimal form. 920%, suppose they ask in the decimal again, so 920 divided by 100, which is equal to 9.2. 20 or 2, that is same only. So 9.2 in decimal. Suppose 92 they ask in the ratio proportion form, ratio form, so 92/100, and both comes in 4 table. 23 4 ja and 25 4 ja 23 upon 25, which is nothing but 23 is to 25. So simple it is. If they ask you from fraction to percentage, from decimal to percentage, or from ratio to percentage, we multiply by 100. And if they give the answer, if they given the sum itself in the percentage and they ask you in fraction, decimal or ratio form, then we divide by 100. Okay, clear? Next part. Okay, and next one is like they give the value, like here they given the 70 rupees, here they given the 56 kg, here they given 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, we have to find out 15% of rupees 70. So what is the value of 15% of 70? So if you have to find out the value of anything, any percentage of any number ka, so we'll do 15 percentage means upon 100 and then into 70. Okay, so this 0 get cancelled. Now 15 7 ja 105 upon 10, which is nothing but 10.5. So this is nothing but rupees 10.5. Okay, so 15% of 70 is rupees 10.5. How to find out? So whenever they already given you the percentage, is nothing but upon 100. Now next one is 12 1 upon 2 percentage. So 12 upon 2, either you can make it improper fraction, that become 24 plus 125 upon 2 percentage given, so divide by 100 and then into 56 kg, which is nothing but 25 upon 2 into 1 upon 100 into 56. Okay, so 25 1 ja 25 4 ja, then 4 1 ja 4 14 ja 2 1 ja 2 7 ja, so that is nothing but 7 kg, right? It will be 7 kg. Now the other method is this 25 upon 2, you can convert like 12 1 upon 2 is nothing but 12.5. So 12.5 upon 100 multiply by 56. Okay, 12.5 upon 100 into 56. So now 12 8 ja 96, 12 1 ja 96 and then 4, so that means directly go by 8 1 ja 8 7 ja, so directly you can write on the answer 7 kg. Okay, if you are good in the calculation, you can do it, unless you can divide also 100 divided by 12.5 and then multiply by 56. Okay, or you can convert into the improper fraction and then divide by 100, simply you get the answer. So you can do by any method, either by converting fraction to decimal or just convert from the mixed fraction to improper and you can get the answer. Next one is 4% of 1 hour 15 minute. Okay, 4% of 1 hour 15 minute. Now 1 hour 15 minute, the first thing, convert into single unit, because we have hours mein as well as in minutes mein. So we'll convert 1 hour 15 minute everything into minutes. So 1 hour is nothing but the 60 minute plus 15, so this is nothing but 75 minute. Clear? 1 hour is 60 minute and 15 minute is, so 1 hour, that is 60 plus 15, that is 75 minutes. So now the same way, 4 upon 100 multiply by 75 minutes. Okay, here the unit also very important, because whatever they given in rupees mein, so answer has to be in rupees. Kg mein given, so the answer has to be in kg. If it is given 1 hour 15 minutes, so you can convert into either minute or hours mein, or you can convert into minute and hours both. Okay, so let's do here. So 25 3 ja 25, 4 ja 4 and 4 get cancelled, so this become, wait 25 3 ja 25, 4 ja 4 and 4 get cancelled, so that will be 3 minutes. Okay, so the answer is only 3 minutes is the answer. So 3 minutes is given, so we cannot convert into hour because that will be a very small number, so you can leave as it is 3 minutes. Okay, and if they ask the answer in suppose in hours, so that become 3 upon 60 hours, which is nothing but 1 ja 20 ja, so 1 upon 20 hours is the answer. So 1 upon 20 hours or 3 minutes is the answer. Okay, so any value given, and if they are the percentage, so you have to simply whatever the percentage given, that upon 100 multiply by whatever the value given. Okay, the next type is you have to convert or express the one quantity into the second one, the first quantity as a percentage of the second one. Like here 65 paise as a percentage of rupees 5. We have to convert 65 paise as a percentage of rupees 5, meaning 65 paise is what percentage of rupees 5. 65 paise is what percentage of rupees 5. So now first of all, this is given in paise and this is given in rupees. We have to convert the both in the same unit. Okay, so now the two things we can do, either we can convert 65 paise into rupees or 5 rupees into paise. Now here I always prefer the bigger one to make it small because we have to multiply in that. So this become 65 paise as a percentage of 500 paise, as a 500 paise. Why? Because 1 rupee is 100 paise, so 5 rupees is 500 paise. Okay, so now both will be in paise and paise. So now we have 65 paise as a percentage of 500 paise. Okay, so we have to convert into percentage, so multiply by 100. Okay, whenever they give the percentage ka symbol, we have to divide by 100, and whenever we want into percentage, we multiply by 100. The first thing, this both the paise get cancelled, this 20 and this 20 get cancelled, 5 1 ja 5 13 ja, so this is nothing but 13 percentage. Clear? So 65 paise is what percentage of rupees 5? So 65 paise is 13% of rupees 5. Okay, next one is 240 gram as a percentage of 3 kg 600 gram. 240 kg as a percentage of 3 kg 600 gram. Now the first one we have the 240 gram and the second we have the 3 kg 600 gram. So first thing we have to convert both in the same unit. Again, since this is smaller one, this is the bigger one, 3 kg we have to convert into gram and we have to add the 600 gram. So 3 kg is nothing but 300 gram. 300 gram plus 600 gram, so that is nothing but 3600 gram. Okay, we have to find out 240 gram as a percentage of 3600 gram. 240 gram as a percentage of 3600 gram. Okay, so here the very important part is what? First you convert both in the same unit, both in the same unit. After that is very simple. Now 240 gram upon 3600 gram and then multiply by 100. So whichever you want to convert into percentage, multiply by 100. Both have the same unit. You can cancel these two. Then 1 2 1 2 get cancelled. This will come 12 3 ja, 12 2 ja and 0 ja. Okay, 20 upon 3 percentage. 20 upon 3 percentage. Now that you can convert into improper to mixed fraction. So 3 6 ja 18, 2 over 3 percentage. So now we have 6 2 upon 3 percentage is 240 gram as a percentage of 3 kg 600 gram is nothing but 6 2 upon 3 percentage. Okay, let's do one more sum. 80 centimeter as a percentage of 2 meter 50 centimeter. So again we have to convert, this is centimeter given, so we have to convert 2 meter 50 centimeter also in centimeter. So 2 meter will be how much? 200 centimeter plus 50, so this become 250 centimeter, and this will be 80 centimeter. So 80 upon 250 multiply by 100. Okay, so 0 and 0 get cancelled. 5 5 ja, 5 2 ja, okay, 5 1 ja, 5 16 ja, 16 into 2, that give you 32 percentage. Clear? Simple it is. Okay, so percentage is nothing but like the simple calculation, only if you know just basic things. The first thing, to convert from the fraction, decimal, means from anything, if you want to convert into percentage, multiply by, like here you have to convert into percentage, so we'll multiply by. And if they given you the answer in like the sum they given in the percentage and they asked the answer in some other form में, so you have to divide by 100. So multiply or divide by 100, only the two things we have to do. Okay, let's do few more sums in this. Okay, the next one is, what are the percentage of 90 is 18? Okay, what percent of 90 is 18? Meaning, suppose if you get 18 marks out of 90, then what percent you will get, right? What percent of 90 is 18? What percent of 90 is 18? So 18 out of 90, you have to find the percentage में, so multiply by 100. Okay, 0 get cancelled, 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, so 2 into 10, that give you 20%. So if you get 18 marks out of 90, you will get only 20%. Okay, so 20% of 90 is 18. Next sum is 28% of a number is 42. Find the number, find the original number. So 20% of a number. So of a number, since we don't know the number, so let this number be x, you can take. Okay, since we don't know the number, so let the number be x. So what they are given the condition, 28% of x is equal to 42. 28% of a number equal to 42. Percentage given, it means what? Percentage means divide by 100. Whenever the percentage ka symbol is given, we divide by 100, and whenever we need the percentage, we multiply by 100. So here we divided by 100. Of given, of means multiplication into x is equal to 42. Clear? So 28 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 42. So x is equal to 42. Now this is 28 upon 100. If we take the other side, it becomes 100 upon 28. Clear? So x is equal to 42 into 100 upon 28. Now this comes in 7 6 ja, 7 4 ja. 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja, so 25 6 ja, 150. So the number is what? 150. Therefore the required number is 150, or the original number is 150. 28% of 150 is equal to 42. Now if you want to verify the answer, you can take 28 upon 100 into 150. If the answer come for 2 ja, and this will be 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 14 ja, 14 3 ja, 42. That is same as the given number 42. So yes, the answer is right. So, okay, so our required number is 150. Okay, let's do few more sums of this. Okay, the next sum is, the money spent on the repair of a house was 2% of its value. Okay, so whatever the total value of the house, that got 2% they spend on repair. Okay, but the actual repair cost is 9,600. 9,600. Find the total cost of the house. Okay, so they given the two things here. One, they had given the repair cost is 2% of the total value, which is nothing but 9,600. Okay, so what they are asking here, find the cost of the house. Okay, so directly we'll take here, let the cost of the house is cost of the house be X. Okay, let the cost of the house be X. Therefore, what is the given? 2% of what? Of X is equal to 9,600. Okay, the main part is what? 2% of X is 9,600. The money spent on the repair of the house was 2% of its value. If the cost of the repair is 9,600, find the cost of the house. So let the cost of the house be X. So 2% of X is equal to 9,600. So 2 upon 100, percentage given. So divide by 100. So 2 upon 100 into X is equal to 9,600. So X is equal to 9,600 into 100 upon 2. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 4,800. 4,800 multiply by 100. So 4,800 and 2 more 0, that is nothing but 4,80,000. Okay, so what is the total cost of the house? Rupees 4,80,000. Okay. Okay, next sum. 1,200 boys and 1,800 girls are examined in the test. 42% of the boys and 60% of the girls passed. Okay, find the percentage of those who failed. Okay, so out of 1,200 students, how many pass? 42%. Okay, so how many fail? This is what? Pass. So how many fail here? So 100 minus 42, that give you how much? 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5. So 58% boys fail. How many fail? 58% boys are fail out of 1,200. So total number of boys failed is equal to 58 upon 100 into 1,200. Okay, 1 2 get cancelled. Now 58 multiply by 12. 12 8 are 96. 9 12 5 are 60 plus 9 69. Okay, so how many fail in the class? 696 boys fail in the class. 12 8 are 96, 9 and 12 5 are 60 plus 9 69. So 696 boys fail in the exam. Okay, same way number of girls. How many girls are there? 1,800. How many pass? 60%. How many fail? 40% fail. Total number of fail girls. So 40 upon 100 multiply by 1,800. Okay, so 1 2 18 4 is 72. So 720 girls fail in the exam. Now what they are asking? Find the percentage of those who failed. Okay, 696 failed boys and 720 girls failed. So total how many failed? So 696 plus 720. So that will be 6. 9 plus 2 11 carry 1. 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 14. So 1416 student failed. Student failed out of how many? 1,200 plus 1,800, that give you 3,000. So out of 3,000 student, 1,416 student fail. So what is the percentage of the failed? So 1,416 divided by 3,000 multiplied by 100. So 1 2 0 get cancelled. So now 1416 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 21 7 ja 21 6, so 3 2 ja 6. Okay, so 472, and there is 1 0 also, so it become 47.2% student failed in the exam. Okay, how many percent student failed in the exam? So what if we start the sum? See, how many boys are there? 1200. How many girls are there? 1800. How many boys pass? 42%. How many girls? 60%. So how many fail boys? 58%. How many fail girls? 40%. So total number of boys failed 58 upon 100 into 1200, which is 696, and 40% fail girls, so 40 upon 100 into 1800, which is 720 girls. The total number of students failed, so that is 696 plus 720, that is 1416 out of total 1200 plus 1800, that give you 3000. So 1416 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100, the answer is 47.2%. So 47.2% student failed in the exam. Okay, the next one is at an election between the two candidates, 53 votes were declared invalid. The winning candidate scored 58% of the valid votes and win by 588 votes. Find the total vote. Okay, total number of voters. Okay, so here this is what is mean by invalid vote. Okay, so sometime like in an election, if you give more than 2, like in the, okay, you have to press only one button from the election may, but if you press like more than one button, or sometimes your Aadhaar card is not valid or something is there, so that vote will be the invalid vote. Okay, so that will not count in the winning also, not for the losing also. So now if the winning candidate, okay, winning candidate got 58%, 58%. So how much the losing candidate got? Yes, 100 minus 58, that will be 42%. Clear? Let the total number of vote be X, you take first. Okay, let the total number of valid vote will be X. Okay, first what we here, only the valid, this will be valid vote, you take first. So 58% of valid vote, that will be X, minus 42% of valid vote will be how much? He win the election by 588 vote. Only this is the important thing here. Okay, so let the number of valid vote be X. So the winning candidate will get how much? 58% of the total number of vote, that will be the X, and so loser will be get how much? 42% of X. So 58% of X minus 42% of X is the difference between the vote between the both candidate. Okay, so this will be 58 upon 100 into X minus 42 upon 100 into X is equal to 588. Okay, so X you take the common, so now we have 58 upon 100 minus 42 upon 100 is equal to 588. So 52 minus both the numbers are same, so this give you 16 upon 100. X is equal to 588. So X is equal to 588 into 100 over 16. Okay, 4, oh wait, keep 100 this as it is only. 4 8 ja, like 2 8 ja 16, and this become 2 9 and 4, again goes by 2, so this is 4 ja, and this become 4, so 14, and this will come 7, 147. Okay, so now we have 147 into 100 upon 4. right? You can cancel by 4, 3 are 12, 2, you can just do like this also, 147 divided by 4, so 4 3 are 12, 2 27, 4 6 are 24, 3 30, 4 7 are 28, 2 20, that will be 4 5 are. So this will be 36.75 into 100, so that become 3675. So these are what 3675 is the total number of valid vote, and there are 53 votes are invalid. So 3675 plus 53, that is 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 5 12, to carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, so 3728. These are the number of voter who vote. Okay, out of that 53 are invalid and 3675 are the valid vote. Okay, so here this type ka sum also they ask most of the time in the paper, and it's very simple. You have to just find out how much the winner get, and then that 100 minus that the loser will get, and then 58 minus that number like 42. So the difference between both will be 588, because he win the election by 588 vote. Okay, so that means he got 588 more vote than the other person. Okay, the next part is the increase percentage and decrease percentage. Okay, so sometimes they give a number and then they ask you what will be the new percentage or the increase percentage. Like suppose a number is given 100 is increased by 4%. Okay, a number 100 increased by 4%. So 4 is what here, 100 is the original number, it increased by 4%. So 100 into 4 upon 100, so that give you 4. So 4 is the increase. How much increased by? It increased by 4. What is the new number? So that will be the original number plus the increased number, that is 100 plus 4. So the new number will be 104. Okay, if a number increase by 4%, the original number plus 4% of that number. Okay, so let's do one more sum. Like suppose we have a original number 60, it is increased by 12%. 60 increased by 12%. Okay, so there are two ways to solve this. One, what you will do here, first you find the 12% of this number and then add the number. Okay, or you can do this is increased by 12%. So original percentage 100, it is increased by 12%, so it become 112%. Okay, so 112% is the new number, so that is 112 upon 100 multiplied by 60. So 0 and 0 get cancelled, and then 6 2 ja 12 to carry 1, 66 67. Okay, upon 10, that is nothing but 67.2. so it is increased by 7.2 and the new increased number becomes 67.2. Clear? Same way, if anything decrease by decrease percentage or decrease by anything, so it will be 100 minus decrease percentage. Decrease percentage. Okay, so suppose a number 75 decreased by suppose 10%. Okay, so it becomes 75 into 10 upon 100, so that give you 3 ja 4 ja 30 upon 4, so 4 7 ja 28, 2, that becomes 7.5. so it is decreased by 7.5 from the original number. So what is the new number? So new number is nothing but 75 minus 7.5, so that will be 67.5. So new number is 67.5. so you can do by this method, or you can do it is decreased by 10%, original is 100%, decreased by 10% become 90%. So 90% of 75, so 90 upon 100 into 75, so 3 ja 4 ja, and this will be 2 ja 45. Okay, then 22.5 into 3, 66, 67.5 is the answer. So the new number is 67.5 after decreasing by 10% from 75. So this is the increase and decrease ka sum also, sometimes they ask in the paper. Okay. Next sum is, after deducting 6% of the bill, the amount paid is rupees 658. How much was the original bill? Okay, so whatever they ask at the end, what is the original bill? So let the original bill be X. That is the first line. Let the original bill be X. So let the original bill be X. So it is decreased by 6%. So 100 minus 6, that give you that become 94%. So 94% of original bill, which is X. So 94% of X is equal to 658. Okay, this is the main part. After deducting 6%, so 100 minus 6 become 94%. So 94% of the original bill, which is X, is equal to 658. So 94 upon 100 into X is equal to 658. So X is equal to 658 into 100 over 94. Clear? 94. Now we'll go directly. 658 divided by 94. 9 7 ja, so 7 for the 28, carry 2, 9 63 65. Yes, it's going. So directly 1 ja and 7 ja, so 7 into 100, that give you 700. So the original bill is 700. Okay, so whatever they gave here, after deducting, after increasing, so if deducting, that is decrease will be minus, you have to do, and if it increase, so you have to plus, you have to do. Okay, the sum is very simple. Okay, and then the next part, let's do the continuous increase percent or continuous decrease percent. Okay, so this is the first part of the percentage. So here we did the basic of all the percentage, increase, decrease, then conversion and all that, and then we did the few sums also. In the next part of the percentage, maybe we'll do the more difficult sums. Okay, so till that, you just like and subscribe my channel.